My grandma never made bread without this ingredient. Watch carefully.
In a bowl, add 75 milliliters of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take some dry time and put it in the dough. Now mix everything. As you know, put 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And knead again for mix everything. Until smooth and uniform. Now put the dough inside the bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and store it in a dry and warm place. Now put some flour on the table, and look how much our dough has risen. Put it on the table, and divide it in 2 portions. Now form 2 balls by stretching the dough. Add some flour if the dough is too sticky. Now let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Now take one of the balls, put some flour on top of it, and flour also a rolling pin. Roll out the ball into a flat disc until it's about 1 centimeter thick. And repeat with the other dough ball. Let these discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-low heat. And once hot, put a bread disc inside. Let it cook for around 30 seconds. Then, flip it to the other side. Do this for around 4 times. And once cooked, wrap it with a towel to keep it warm. And repeat with the other bread discs. Finally, our bread is ready. Super simple recipe with a great result. It is soft to the touch and it smells amazing. If you think this bread was different, wait until you see the next one. Watch this new video.